next Friday, which is her actual birthday, if you were wondering.
It has these things on the other side.
What have you done to the cat grass? I wish that Animal Crossing would teach me how to love them in real life. Hey guys, and welcome to another weekly reading vlog. This week I'm really going to attempt to actually read. That said, I'm still halfway done with The Girl Who Stole an Elephant, but I'm attempting, or at least aiming for finishing that today. And I'm going to start a buddy read with Femke today. We're going to be reading, I don't know how many days, but about 50 pages a day of The Damned by Renee Audier. I am so excited to get into this book. It's been a while since I read... Did I just grab the wrong one? No, the first one is The Beautiful. It's been a while since I read The Beautiful, and that one broke my heart. So it's about time that I read The Damned. So I'm going to be reading it with Femke. We're going to be reading up until page 55, I think. Yeah. So up until the chapter that says Emily, which is going to be the first day. I'm going to be starting that later today. But first I need to do some uni work, which is what I'm going to be doing now. And yeah, that's the plan for today, and hopefully I will be able to film a couple of videos. I still have to desperately film the announcement for the Desert-a-thon weekend edition. It's been a weird couple of weeks and I need to take time to film that today because I want to get it up. Also, we need to do my nails. We've already done 2 of them, so you can see sort of the style that we're going for, which is a glass nail. Can you see that? There, that's better. Which is a glass nail with maple leaves on them. Then I think my thumb and my ring finger will also be glass, and then these will be sort of burned orange. So I am excited for that. That's all Desert-a-thon style. It's warm, it's fiery, but it's also awesome because I'm excited for autumn. I also want to read a couple of spooky books, or all the spooky books that there are. I have The Whisper Man lined up and ready to go, and I still have to film my Game of the Book CBR, but we're going to do that soon. And yeah, welcome to a new week. I'm excited. All the reading and working spirits ahead. Let's go. Good morning. Did you climb up here all by yourself? Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. Hello. Are we sleeping in a box? Huh? Are we sleeping in a box? You barely fit in the box. Is he sleeping on your scratching pole? And you're allowing this? Wow. Hey Luna, is he sitting in your box? Stay in the box. Coda. Coda. Coda doesn't dare move. Hey guys, happy Wednesday, and today I actually have class in about 6 minutes, so nearly. I have everything set up and ready to go, and I thought I would say welcome and hello on the Wednesday. I'm ready. I have my, what are these, tangerines? Looks very fake, but they're real. I have my tangerines ready to go. I have some water, I have something to drink. I have a nice background, which I usually have because books. And also, I don't know if I showed you guys this yet, but my nails are done. They are very autumn. I love autumn. I love winter as well. The only season I really don't like is summer, but they have maple leaves. I am gonna go and head into class, online that is, and I will talk to you guys later, I think, because I have a couple of reading updates, but I'll do that later. Hey guys. Hello? Hey guys, it is actually the end of my class day. It doesn't look like I've changed at all, but I've been sitting here for 3.5 hours. reading update. I really wanted to talk about that. I am nearly done with The Girl Who Stole an Elephant, and I think I can finish that today. I also kind of have to read a shit ton of The Damned, because I've only read like 50 pages, and we were supposed to be on 155 today, I think. So, over 100 pages to read, which is fine. It's gonna be fine, I think. And I have started listening to The Guest List, which is written by the same author as Hunting Party, which I pretty much enjoyed, but I've heard people say this one is better, so I hope that this can be a 4-star for me instead of a 3, because I think I gave The Hunting Party 3 stars. This is also kind of like Agatha Christie's And Then There Were None, apart from the fact that everybody dies, but they're sort of secluded on this island, and then somebody dies or is murdered, and they have to figure out who it is among their party, which I find incredibly interesting. So if you have any of those recommendations where a group of people is secluded and they have to find the killer, please do share. I realized that there was a gigantic bug on my window. I wish that Animal Crossing would teach me how to love them in real life. That said, I'm gonna go downstairs and put the balls off my hair and have some food, also hydrate, and I will see you guys once I have a reading update.
What have you done to the cat grass? It's all flattened. Yeah, you did this. You did this. You're not a very good plant dad, are you? Is that rain? Is it raining? Dakota has to play, eh? Smallish bear. You have to play, Smallish bear.
Good morning. It's not morning. It's 2 p.m. Hello, welcome to Friday. I am actually on my way to run some errands. I have to get some stuff for Femke's birthday, which is next week, which I can't show you because if she watches these vlogs, she might know. So we're not gonna show you, but I am on my way to get some stuff for Femke's birthday. I am going to her next Friday, which is her actual birthday, if you were wondering. And I want to make sure that, you know, I do see her for her birthday. That said, I am gonna go alone, as in I'm gonna see Femke and maybe her parents, but that's it. Otherwise we would be with a lot of people, but that's not just, it's just not gonna happen right now with COVID and, you know, the entire situation. That said, that's what I'm doing right now, and I have to get some other bits and bobs and that kind of stuff. I had class this morning, hence why you see me so late. So that's today. I also have to continue reading. I want to finish The Girl Who Stole an Elephant. I have about 50 or 60 pages left, I think. I have to do some homework stuff. I have to read up until page 160 of The Damned, and I think I'm at 80 at the moment. Hello, can you stay right? Thank you. Other than that, I don't have a lot of reading updates, so I suppose I will see you guys later, probably. I'm gonna listen to some music and just make sure I'm safe on the road. So I have the stuff that I need It's warm. In the car, that is. Very weird weather. Well, that's great. And that way I can just go like this. Makes it easier for me. Thank you, people. And I'm on my way back home. I might film what I have and put it in next week's reading vlog, because I actually can't show you right now, because otherwise Femke would know. We don't want that now, do we? That said, I'm gonna go home and I'll see you later. I think I said that already, but you know. Anyway. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. I have a new bedding. It's flannel, and it's the cutest thing in the world, and it's reversible. Look, it has these things on the other side. And I have a cat. I mean, I've had a cat for 3 years, but she's right there with me. Hello, good morning. And I have a bookshelf behind me. It's the best way to wake up. Yes, I'm still a little bit tired, and that's probably why I sound like that. But I did listen to quite a bit more of the guest list, which I think I'm on 70% done, and I am loving it still. I'm so intrigued. The thing that does bother me with Lucy Foley's books, because she also did this in The Hunting Party, is the fact that she waits until you know who's dead, until you know who did it. And that bothers me. I just want to know up front who's dead and then try and figure out who killed them. But she doesn't do that, so just gonna have to wait and see who's dead. I do have a couple of ideas in my head. That said, I'm about to get up. We need breakfast. This one already had breakfast though. Yeah, you did. She's just cuddly. And yeah, happy Sunday. I also still have to finish The Girl Who Stole an Elephant, but I'm nearly done, so I think I'm gonna do that in a little bit. And it's a homework day as well. So happy Sunday, and let's get coffee. Nina. what would happen to certain relationships, and I really wanted to know just certain things that didn't get wrapped up properly, and it really bothered me because you had these multiple sort of narratives throughout the story, which is something that she also did in the hunting party. And please don't wash me, baby. And you could have as easily had multiple perspectives at the end, just telling them how they're doing now. Like, it would be so easy. But anyway, I'm gonna have to figure out what I will rate it. I'll probably moan a little bit more about it in next week's reading vlog when I open that tomorrow morning, but I wanted to say that I finished them, so here we go. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I know it's a bit of a chaos, the vlogs right now, but I hope you're enjoying them anyway. Please subscribe to our channel and press that little bell icon so you get post notifications every single time that I or Femke post a video. And we hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!